I want to give a huge thanks to Kevin for sending me this video. This answers a lot of questions that people were asking about how the bridge was actually pushed across. So at first he said they used the SkyTrack on the first push, as we can see right here. Then they went ahead and swapped this out and used the D4 dozer on the second push. And for the final push they used the D8 dozer. If you can't tell, Kevin is actually the crane operator. He was the one filming this time lapse that he shared with me. He did say that the heat in the crane on the south side works pretty good, but the one on the north side does not work so good. This launching girder right here that's coming across was the first thing on the end of the bridge. This is about 100 foot in length, and it was used to kind of catch and guide it into place. Then they just jacked it up, removed the rollers, and lowered it into place. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below. As always, I just want to give a massive thanks to the people who support me on Patreon. Never underestimate the value of your contribution to keeping this channel going. Thank you.